Okay, now we are solving the question 11 of the General Maths or Core Maths Wassce 2021. Now, I'm reading the question. The average mass of refuse generated in a community in a week contains 35% plastic, 27.5% liquid, 17.5% metal, 12.5% vegetable matter, and others is 7.5%. Draw a pie chart. Now, because the questions are in percentage, it means that the total garbage that were collected is 100%. So we will convert them to into degrees. We will take 35, divide by 100, and multiply by 360. That is the total angle of a circle. So we multiply by 360 and we will get the degree for each of the items. So let's go straight to it. So the total refuse is equal to 100%. So for plastic, we have 35 over 100 times 360. Someone will also draw a table like this. Right here, refuse, then that is plastic. Then we also have angle of sector here. Then have here percentage of the plastic. So you have here 35. Then here we'll do the 35 over 100 times 360. We will all get the same thing. The answer you get here, I'll get the same answer over here. They are all correct. They are all correct. So let's see. 35 divided by 100 times 360. We get 126 degrees. So 126 degrees. The same way, someone doing this one will also get 126 degrees as the angle of sector. The person here will come ahead or go ahead by writing here liquid. Then also have the percentage of liquid to be 27.5. Then come here 27.5 over 100 times 360. And continue with all the items one after the other. Then someone also wouldn't draw the table, but also do this liquid 27.5 all over 100 times 360. Then we will all get the same answer. So 27.5 divided by 100 times 360. We are getting 99 degrees. The next one is metal. Metal. That is 17.5. So 17.5 over 100 times 360. Then someone here will also say metal. Finding the angle of sector, 17.5 over 100 times 360. So our calculator will help us. 17.5 divided by 100 times 360. We are getting 63 degrees. So that is how the conversion is done. So the next one is vegetable matter, or vegetable is 12.5 over 100 times 360. And we are getting 45 degrees. The same person here also will get 45 degrees when you go with this. So any of the two you can go with. You can take it one after the other and you can draw a table for it. The same thing. You get the same answer. Then others. We have 7.5 over 100 times 360. Someone here, so with others, will also get 7.5 here. And come and write 7.5 all over 100 times 360. So we are getting 27. And the person here too will get 27. So now, after we've gotten all the angle of sector for the 5 different items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will draw our pie chart. We will draw our pie chart. Now, let me draw it here. Now, after drawing the circle, the first thing to do is to draw a radius from the center to any part of the circumference that you want. You can draw it this side, anywhere you want. You can draw your radius. So, I draw my radius like this. Now, after drawing my radius, I'll use the protractor to get my angles. The angles that I have worked out for, one after the other. So I make sure this side of the protractor falls on the center of the circle. So it is on it. The first one plastic is 126. So counting from here to this side, we can see that this side is 120. And this side is 130. So half of 120 here is 125. Then I'll count one more to be 126. Then I'll draw a line like this. So this side will be called plastic. And it is 126 degrees. After I'm done with plastic, I won't use this line again. I'll use the new radius that I have drawn. So you can turn your book, you can turn your paper like this. Then put it on this new one like that. The next one is 99. From this 0 up to here is 90. And this side is 100. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will be somewhere here. Then I draw a line to touch the center of it. So this side is 99. The degree for liquid is 99. So this side is 99 degrees. Now the next one is 63. So we will turn our book again and use the new radius that we just drew for liquid and construct 63. So we will put it here. So from here up to here is 60. So I'll count 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Like this. So that is the point I'll draw from. So I'll put it here like that. Then I'll draw from here up to here. So this is, the 63 is metal. 63. Now the next one is vegetable. So I'll use the new radius again. Vegetable matter, 45. So this from here up to here is 40. So the middle here will be 45. So I put a dot to it. Then I will draw. So this side becomes 45. Then vegetable matter. Now, the last one, others, is 27 degrees. You can choose to check because that's the last one left. So this side here is the 27 degrees. But let's check and see if we will really get 27 degrees. So we put it on the center again. So from here up to here is 20. So 27 is somewhere here. And we can see that that is the 27. So we close here, right here, 27. Then we write others here. So that is the A for That's the pie chart and the 11A for Wassce 2021. Okay, so the B part of the question 11 of Wassce 2021 says that we have a diagram. Then it says in the diagram, PQ touches the circle MNOP at P, and NP is a diameter. NP, this one is a diameter. Angle MPQ is 33 degrees, and PMO is 67 degrees. We are to find this angle here and over here, and also we are also to find the P here. Now, as far as this question is concerned, they are saying that NP is a diameter. So automatically, MO is also a diameter. So meaning this is the center of the circle. Because they are all from the same chord, moving this side and moving that side. So this is the center, the chord OP. So this is a center. Okay, so we will use the properties of circles theorem to solve this question. Very simple. Now, this side is O, this side is P, this side is N, and this side is also M. We were told that NP is a diameter. It means that it touches the center. And this also is a diameter. It also touches the center. So the center O. So if this is the center, it means that this triangle MON, is an isosceles triangle. So automatically this side will also be what? 67. Then we can find this angle. Then we use this angle to find this angle. Then this angle can help find this angle and this angle. Then because it's also an isosceles, then we can find this angle, use this to find this and this. Then we will get our N. Then the P2, we will get this angle, use this to find this angle and this angle. Then we'll get our P. Now, saying that, I think it will be a lot in your mind, but let's start solving it and we will get it in a simple way. So triangle MON is an isosceles triangle. Now, what is an isosceles triangle? It means that the sides are equal and the base angles are equal. So let's consider that. So this is M, this is P, and this is O. So if the M here is 67, it means that here it is automatically 67. So hence OPM is also 67 here. Okay. So now we add this to this to this and we equate it to 180, then we get this side. This side. So we will get 67 plus 67 plus X. It's equal to 180. So 67 plus 67 is going to give us 134. Plus X is equal to 180. So we're going to get X is equal to 180 minus 134. So we're going to get X is equal to 46 degrees. So the angle here is 46 degrees. And here will be 67 degrees. Now we can see from the diagram, if I turn it like this, line NP has one angle to be 46. So we can find this angle using the properties of straight line, angles on a straight line. So angle NOM plus 46 degrees is equal to 180 degrees because they are on a straight line. So angle NOM is equal to 180 minus 46. Then you are going to get angle NOM being equal to 134 degrees. 134 degrees. So this side is also 134 degrees. Now, one more thing we have to know is that angle MOP is opposite to angle NO kill. You go to angle NOQ. Now, NOQ. So what we'll do is, we will, because they are opposite, they are the same. So meaning angle MOP is equal to angle NOQ. So this side is 46 degrees, and here will automatically be what? 46 degrees, like that. And also, angle NOM it's equal to angle QOP. So this is 136 degrees. Here is also 136 degrees. Like this on the diagram. So now we are moving. So it means that with this that we have over here, this angle NOM is also an isosceles, because this is a radius, OM is a radius, and ON is also a radius. So they all meet here from the chord. So this is also a radius, this and that. So the base angle here and here will be the same. So we can put A here and also put A here and solve. Okay, so we are saying that NOM is equal to QOP. So they are all 34 degrees. So now let's go straight to find A and A. So we are going to get A plus 134 should give us 180. So 2A will be equal to 180 minus 134. So we get 2A will be equal to 46. Then our A will give us 23. If we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get 28. So it means that this side is 23 degrees, and that of here is also 23 degrees. Now, so we find some part of the N. So we're about to find this side too as well. The same way we can bring B here and also B here as well, and solve with it, because that one is also an isosceles triangle. So we will also get B plus 46 is equal to 180 degrees. So 2B is equal to 180 minus 46. Now I'm going to get 2B is equal to 134. So if I divide by 2, I'm going to get B to be equal to 67 degrees. So this side is 67 and this side is also 67. Now, from here we can see that from the diagram here, this side is 136, this side is also 136. So it means that by all means we will get here also to be 23 and here also to be 23. 23. So it means that if we want to find N, as they said in the question, we want to find angle MNO. So MNO will be equal to 67 plus 23, and that will give us 90 degrees. And the same thing for MPO, it will be 67 plus 23. That will also give us 90 degrees. So that will be for 90 for the two angles we are finding. As simple as that. Because this one is a diameter and this is also a diameter. They all pass through the center. So it means that we have 4 isosceles triangles over here. We have 4 isosceles triangles over here, and meaning the base angle will be different, will be the same for this one, will be the same for this one, will be the same for this, and for the same for this. But this angle, this is opposite to this, so the angles here will be the same as these angles, and that one here will be the same as this angle. So this is the B part of the question 11 for Wassce 2021.